Hi Mahendra. Good
Hi, sir.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Thanks for asking me, sir.
Yes. So can you just turn on your video?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let's start.
Okay.
Okay, Mahendra. So we, as the ultimate coders, inviting you for your mock interview. Can you just tell me
Yes.
about yourself?
Thank you, sir, for asking me. First of all, thank to introduce to myself and given to me for the interview. My name is Mahendra Kale. I am from Sanganmer, and I have completed my graduation in College of Engineering Mandri from Pune, and the graduation is completed in electronics in graduation is completed in electronic stream. So now I'm currently in working in automobile industry in 6 year as a project engineer.
Okay. So why are you coming to the software?
So
Because you have good experience in automobiles.
yes, sir. In automobile industry, the all the things are depend on the mechanical stream, but my friends are doing in the software company job. I seen this work. How do they work on the like? They develop a new software and they are looking so more interesting and the challenging work to develop your our skill. So I am interested in software side. So I am joined the software industry, sir.
Okay. So can you just tell me about your strength and weaknesses?
So my strength is I handle the uh, I handle the team as a very good because I am my work is in the my company is I handle the team. So so I am trust my team because the all the work is my depend on the my team. When my team is work is fully focus on this work, so this effect on my work. So,
Okay. So are you a hard worker or a smart worker?
sir, both are, sir.
Means,
Means without hard work, the without hard first all the without hard work is not depend on the smart work, because if you do the hard work, that time you know about the how to work. You do that time you understand about the work status as well as then we develop as a smart.
okay, why should we hire you?
uh, Sir, first is the my I have the good team management skill to handle the team, and I get the output from the team side at very uh, a shortened time.
Okay, so we'll start with the technical round.
Yes,
Okay. So tell me what is HTML?
sir. HTML is the hypertext markup language, and is basically used for the creating the web page and web application. And hypertext means the create the web page. Hypertext means the text within a text, and markup language means the we create it formatting the web page documents, sir. And yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Okay. What is SAS?
SAS, sir, is the synthetically awesome synthetically awesome style sheet and is the preprocessor of the CSS and used for the extension of the CSS.
Okay, what are the advantages of using SAS over CSS?
So sorry.
Okay, fine. So, what is CSS?
CSS is a cascading tile sheet, sir, and used for the creating the web page to
Creating a web page to?
more attractive, sir,
Okay,
and styling the web page.
yes. Okay. And what is the difference between HTML4 and HTML5?
Sir, difference between the HTML and HTML5 is the in HTML. HTML is not more semantic than HTML5, and HTML5 is more semantic. HTML for multimedia tag are not used like audio, video, but we support the external supporter like a uh, flash format supporter. And in HTML5, the multimedia tag are supported like audio, video, and this tag are included in the HTML5. And HTML in HTML uh, we can store the we can store data in cookies. And in HTML5 we can store data. We can store temporary data in web storage given from the HTML API. In uh, uh, HTML, uh, vector graphic are not vector graphic is supported by using the external technology like silver flash. And in HTML5, these things are internally included like canvas and
Okay, you said canvas. What is canvas element?
sir, canvas element is the it has the better performance in the larger object and smaller surface,
Mm,
and is the it is the modified by the JavaScript
why it is used?
dynamically. Uh, s- Sir, is it has a for the higher resolution.
Okay, how do we add
Sir,
audio and audio in HTML5?
sir, in HTML5 audio video by using the HTML5 given the tag like audio like and this file are used in HTML in the form of MP3, OGG, and WAV, and we can use the video file in HTML like MP3, OGG, and EPEG4, sir. In the format.
Okay, and what is the difference between inline elements and a block level elements?
Sir, inline element, the first difference in the inline element. The inline element, the width is always equal to its content, and they start with the same line. Uh, they start with same line, and we cannot apply the width of the inline element. And for difference is the uh, we cannot apply the top and bottom margin. And in block element, the width is always equal to the parent element. And the second difference is they start with the separate line, and we can apply the width to the block element. And we can apply the we can apply the four side margin like top right, bottom left, sir. An example of the block element is the footer section, li. And inline element examples are like anchor tag, span, uh, BR tag, ABV track tag.
Okay, can we convert a block level element into a inline element?
block element. So we can using the property like uh, display inline block, sir.
Okay. What is the difference between position absolute and position relative?
Yes, sir. Position absolute means uh, we suppose the HTML element move from its origin position. First about the absolute position. The HTML element move from its origin position with the reference with parent, and in a relative position means the HTML element move from its origin. The HTML element move from its original position.
Okay. So what is float?
Float, sir. The HTML element want to move from when we use the float property, the HTML element move from in the both direction like a float left, float right. So we using the clear property. Clear property this property means the specify that the which HTML element want to move from which directions.
No, clear. Clear is used for.
So clear is a specify that which the uh, clear property specify which HTML element want to move from uh, which direction, and the clear property are the clear none, clear both, clear left and clear right, sir.
Yes, but you are telling the wrong definition of clear. Okay, fine. So tell me what is JavaScript?
uh, JavaScript is the dynamic programming language, and is also interpreted programming language, and is a object oriented capability. Means the it allowed the client side script to page, making the web page more attractive. And we can using the tools in JavaScript like the uh, Microsoft front page, Micromedia homepage 5, and Micromedia firmware MX, sir.
Okay. So tell me the features of ES6.
Feature of this first of the, sir, ES6 is the uh, ICMA 2000 ICMA script 200 is the second name of the A6, and the feature of the A6 is the A6 provides some feature like the arrow function, promise, uh, array dot from, map object, ma- math method, modules, sir.
Module.
Modules. Yes, it consist of
Which
the like
modules?
it consists of the like higher order function.
Okay. So tell me what is asynchronous JavaScript?
As asynchronous JavaScript means the, sir, uh, a function is running with parallel with the another function, and when the uh,
Yes.
when uh, we want any function is executed immediately, so we're using the asynchronous JavaScript, sir.
Okay. And what is the promise?
Sir, promise is the JavaScript object that links produce the code and consume the codes. And produce the code means the code wait for the some time, and the consume code means uh, the code wait for the result. And it consists of the two part like state and result. And in state there are prototype like pending, fulfill, settle, and rejected. Pending means the initial state of the promise we start, and as- Fulfill means the sir when the promise is completed, and rejected means promise is rejected.
Okay. And resolved?
Resolve means the when the promise is success,
Yes.
then
Okay.
then method.
Yes. What is a callback function?
A callback function means sir, a function which accept as an argument or parameters.
What is the difference between slice and splice method?
Sir, first difference, slice means sir uh, the HTML element, uh, the HTML yeah, the HTML element select in array and return the extract part of the new array. Means the sir the we want to mutate the original array and in return the new array, and it consists of the two parameter x start and end is optional. And in splice method, uh, in splice method we uh, in splice method, uh, it's modified the original array, return the deleted array, and it consists of the three parameter like which
No,
position we
wrong,
want.
wrong. Why
Splice,
use splice?
sir,
Yes,
splice
splice. Why we use?
sir, we want to delete or add the element in array.
Okay. And first,
And it's not modified the it's not modified the original, it's modified the original array and return the deleted element in array.
okay. So tell me about the difference between spread operator and the rest operator.
Period. Sorry, sir.
Okay. How do we sort an array?
By using the sort method, sir.
Okay. I will share you one array. So you need to sort that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll share you in chat. Did you got the array?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you have to sort the array by their weight. Share your screen.
Yes, sir. Can visible, sir, my screen? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Sir, I have one question. Means is spread in different array, single array, sir?
In same array you can do as your wish, but show me the array, sorted array. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Mahendra. So you can try this after this interview. So we are done with your interview. Do you have any questions for me?
No,
Hello.
no, sir.
Yes. Okay. So bye. Try this after this call. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Bye.
Thank you.